fight for COVID-19, it is imperative that you screen for symptoms. Livingstone College is now deploying our campus screening protocol. Here is our protocol. In our screening protocol, the Livingstone College campus screening protocol will ensure the daily screening of all visitors and the entire campus community. All students, staff, faculty, and visitors will be screened at the beginning of the day and or prior to entering any building on the campus of Livingstone College. Upon entering any campus building or academic setting, all individuals will have their temperature checked in addition to answering the following questions. Here's some of the questions that we'll be asking. Have you had contact in the last 14 days with someone diagnosed with COVID-19? Have you visited where the COVID-19 rate of infection is increasing? And finally, do you have any of the following symptoms? Here are some of the symptoms we'll be screening for. Do you have shortness of breath, cough, chills, runny nose, or congestion, muscle pains or body aches, headache, sore throat, loss of taste or smell, diarrhea, nausea, or vomiting? Students who present or show a temperature at or above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit are required to call the Health Services Office at 704-216-6111 or wait for further instructions from our health services staff or designee. Staff members with a temperature at or above 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit will be asked to leave the campus and contact their healthcare provider for further evaluation and additional COVID-19 screening. Any visitor that does not pass or meet the above screening criteria will be denied access to the campus, including administrative offices and academic buildings. Visitors will be encouraged to contact their healthcare provider as soon as possible. For more detailed information on our screening protocol, please visit our website at www.livingstone.edu.